lalong sisa ka, laurlong sisa ka ni kam.
Ka Director General ka Central Bureau of Communication Headquarters ka Kanchan Prasad kala ajing ro yakihe officer halor ka jingtray shitom ka jongki bat ong baka sarkar jong kari India kan ai ya ka jingkarshan ka bapura ban pin ku bor ya ka than shatay lamingi bakan nang la shushu ban tray bha haba ajing kren ha ka jialang baar jong ka annual North East Zonal Conference ka balalong hashalong club ka Prasad kala ay ka jing ro yakinong tray ka tanat ki balala ban ay ka jing shakri ka bapaka ban pin priang ya ka jing smooth hu shaki ba wat shaki benta nong kendong ki bajngai na kanong ba halor ki mat baper kum ka jingyada na ka jingpang bampong ka jingkerni ha udrok par ki wake scheme ki ba ka sarkar padeng kalapan mi kalabanjur bahakani ka juk bamenta don kam banya ringkat ka rukom trekam ka barim pa ka jingpen don kam ya ka bor jong ka media knang ba on la ban pin priang ya ki jingtip shabaro.
I would say information is empowerment. So this is the work that you guys are doing on the field. I mean, sitting in Delhi, we can tell you that you have to do this, but you are my foot soldiers going around to the farthest corner of the country to spread the message of awareness, whether, as Kripa said, it's about cancer, it's about drug abuse, or anything related to the central government which can empower the citizen, even if you're making it aware, even if you're making them aware, it's a huge task.
Ka Prime Meghalaya kalapanlong ya ka program pinshay patba hayaw Myra